Hello everyone, hello to all my class 9 champions, class 9th warriors. So again I welcome you everyone on your favorite channel Deeksha Vedantu CBSE English, and this is your Sonu Sir, your maths faculty. So my dear champions, in today's video, in today's class basically, I'm going to teach you again the part 2, the remaining questions that we could not solve in the part 1 live. In my last live I had solved all the questions, exercise set 1.1, right? So we have solved all the questions of exercise set 1.1. Now in this live session, in today's class, we will be solving here the remaining questions of exercise set 1.2 and the remaining questions here. So before I start teaching you guys, before solving the questions, please let me know everyone, am I audible to you all? Everything is fixed? Am I audible to you and I'm clearly visible to you everyone? Please let me know everyone, class 9 champions. So in today's video I am going to solve the remaining questions, exercise set 1.2, and these are the remaining questions. The student who is new here, who joined the session for the first time, my dear champion, I have already taught you guys the part 1 of this chapter. My last live session, go and watch that video, and in that video I have solved the questions exercise set 1.1 and exercise few questions of exercise set 1.2 also. Now in this live class today I am going to solve the remaining questions of your maths, orienting yourself, the use of coordinate, and these questions are of exercise set 1.2. Hello sir, hi Samrat. Let me show you the questions here. So basically this is exercise set 1.2, right champions? And in my last live class we have solved this part. Question number 1, we have solved all 3 questions, this, and question number 2, if the bathroom door has hinge at B1, I have already solved this question. And we were solving question number 3, look at Rian's bathroom, what are the coordinates of 4 corners? Yeah, so from question number 2 of third, second question of third, from this question we'll be starting here today's live class. Okay, so third, question number 1, first of third, so we'll be solving all the questions from third. Okay, yes, so please join the session quickly everyone without wasting a moment, because I'm about to start the session. Okay, so let's begin the session without wasting a moment. So look at the question, come on. I hope you all know here, to solve the questions given here, all the question, this question, this question, this question, you need to visualize the diagram, this diagram. All the questions are based on the diagram. Every question is based on this diagram. So your visualization power should be very stronger. If you are able to visualize the diagram comfortably, you can answer these questions just within a second. There is no anything challenging here. Everything based on diagram. So read the question carefully first. Okay, so look at the question. Look at Rian's bathroom. So this blue color portion, this blue color region is Rian's bathroom. Okay, we have to answer the question, what are the coordinates of the 4 corners O, F, R and P? So there are 4 corners of bathroom. Can you see here? This is O, here is F, here is R, and here is P. We have to write the coordinates of O, F, R, P. This is the question, right? Now look at the figure, look at the graph champions. This is O here, this is O, right? And the coordinate of O is already given to you. This is origin basically, because the number line, the graph is starting from O in this direction, x-axis, all the positive value, and in the left of origin all the negative values. This is the y-axis, and the downward line will be of negative y-axis, right? So we have to write the coordinates of O, F, R and P. So what will be the coordinate of O? So we can directly write the answer. The O coordinate will be 0, 0. Why? Because O is itself origin. O is itself origin. This is the origin here, right? Moving to next, the F coordinate. What will be the F coordinate champion? Now look at the F. Please focus on F. Where is F? This is F here. Now you can see this is origin. So this line will be y-axis, and this line is basically x-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Now your point F, this point F, that we need to write the coordinate for the point F point is on the y-axis. So if the point F is on the y-axis, it indicates that the x coordinate will become 0. So it is confirmed that the x coordinate will be 0. Why? Because point F is lying, the point F is on the y-axis. So x coordinate will become 0. And what will be the y coordinate? So this is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 something. This point will be 9. So the coordinate will be 0, 9. Right? Now moving to R. R coordinate, where is R? Look at R. Where is R? This is R here. This is R. And if this is origin, so the left side of the origin is all the values are negative. We all know the negative, the x-axis will give you the negative value, left side of the origin. So from left side of the origin, this value will be negative. So x-axis is negative. So this will be minus, this will be minus 6, and what? This point will be giving you y-axis here. So the coordinate of y will be minus 6, 9. This is x-axis. This is x-axis, xy. So the coordinate will be minus 6, 9. Minus 6, 9. Now moving to point P. So the coordinate of point P will be what? Where is P? This is P here. Now champion, can you see here? The point P is on x-axis. Come on. The point P is on x-axis, and we all know if the point P is on x-axis, which coordinate will become 0? Y coordinate will become 0. So it is confirmed that the y coordinate will be 0. And what is x coordinate of P? This is already minus 6. So this will be minus 6, 0. This is the answer. Coordinate O, coordinate F, coordinate R, and coordinate P. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to you all. Moving to next question. Okay. What is the shape of the showering area? Shape. Okay, so we have to find out the shape. What exactly the shape? So SHWR will be a quadrilateral, and we have to write the shape, exact shape of that quadrilateral. Whether the SHWR will be rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, or trapezium, we have to write that answer. Okay, so let's find out the first coordinates. So shape of the showering area SHWR of Riyan's bathroom, write the coordinates of the 4 coordinates. Okay, where is SHWR? This is SHWR. This is the showering area. This is the showering area. So what will be the coordinate of S? Come on, yaar. Come on. S. Where is S? This is S. And for this point, the X coordinate is minus 6. And the y coordinate will be this here, 6. So S coordinate will give you minus 6, 6. Y will be positive and X will be negative. Why? Because this is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, we all know second quadrant is made up of positive y and negative x-axis. So S coordinate will be minus 6, commas. Okay. Now moving to H. What will be H coordinate? Where is H? Okay. This is H coordinate. Again, this will be in second quadrant. H is also in second quadrant. So for H, X coordinate will be this. Can you see? Minus 3, and the Y coordinate will be plus 6. So this is minus 3, 6. Okay. Now, moving to next. Okay. SHW. What will be the W coordinate? This is W. Can you see here? This is W, champion. So for W, this line W, where is W? Here. This line is exactly, if we draw a line to show the exact point of W on x-axis, so this we are getting as minus 2. X will be minus 2 for this. X will be minus 2, and the Y coordinate is here. This is Y coordinate. So 1 to 8, the Y coordinate is 9 here. So this will be minus 2, 9. So W is equal to minus 2, 9. Now moving to R. What will be R coordinate? Where is R? Where is R? This is minus 3, 6. Okay, where is R? Where is R? This is R here. So for r, for this coordinate r, x is minus 6 and y will be here 8, 9. So this will be minus 6 comma 9. Okay, minus 6 comma 9. These are the coordinates. I hope everything is clear to you all. Yes, Farhan. Hi, Farhan. Minus 3 comma 6, minus 2 comma 9. Yes, perfect. Perfect, Farhan. Very good. Perfect. Now the second question in this question is we have to write the shape of SHWR. Shape. I mean the SHWR is square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium or rhombus. So we have to write the shape also. So do you know, champion? Focus here. Focus here. This line is having y coordinate 6, 6 and this line is also having y coordinate 9, 9. So it proves that the line SH and line RW both are parallel to each other. The lines SH and WR. Please focus here. Why I'm telling you this? Why I'm writing this? Because the y coordinate of both the lines are same. The y coordinate of this line and the y coordinate of this line both are same. Can you see here? The y coordinate of SH is 6, 6 and the y coordinate of W and R is also 9, 9. It means that both the lines are having same y coordinate, not same y coordinate. I mean both the points on the respective lines are having same y coordinate. It implies that the lines SH and WR are parallels to each other, and we all know parallels to each other, and we all know in any quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other, such quadrilateral are called what, champion? Trapezium. Right? So we can write here SHWR is a trapezium. Why? Because these two lines are parallel to each other. RW and SH are parallel to each other. Hi Kaleem. Hi Farhan. Yes Farhan, very good. Hello sir, hi. Very good, trapezium is correct answer, Farhan. Superb. So trapezium, SHWR will be the trapezium. Clear? Everything is clear to everyone? Moving to next question. See, the coming questions are, the remaining questions are very good level questions. Please stay in this live class. Every doubt will be cleared. This is my words to you everyone, class 9th students. So watch this live session. Because the questions that are coming, these questions are very quality questions, good level questions, I can say simply. So please stay in this live class. Okay, so let's do the next question. Okay, question number third of third. Okay, yes, moving to next question. Mark off a 3 foot by 2 foot space for the wash basin and 2 foot, and we all know, okay, and 2 foot cross 3 foot space for the toilet. Write the coordinates of the corners of these spaces. Okay, so in this question we are talking about the first area is of wash basin. Where is wash basin? This is the wash basin here. Please focus. And the one more area we are talking about is toilet. So we are talking about two areas, wash basin area and toilet area, and we have to write the coordinates of that area. Coordinate of that area. Okay, so let's write the coordinate. So what will be the coordinate, champions? So let's first talk about here. So I'm talking about first wash basin. Wash basin. Okay, so where is wash basin? Please look at here, champions. I'm zooming the diagram here. This is the wash basin here. Look at the wash basin. This is the wash basin. And we have to write the coordinates for this. Coordinates for this. What will be the coordinates? Anyone can write the coordinates of this wash basin? Anyone is there? Please tell me. I'm looking at the chat section. Who can write the coordinate of the wash basin? Everything is clear. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. The wash basin is attached on the walls. One side is lying on the x-axis and the other side is lying on the y-axis. And you have coordinate of x-axis, y-axis given there, and you have coordinate of x-axis also given there. And you have to write down the coordinates. Please write it down. What will be the coordinate of wash basin? Everyone. I want to see the name of that kid who can answer me the question here. Yes. Very easy question. Very easy. Anyone is there? No one? So, okay. Not to worry. Let me zoom out this. Okay. So, for vast basin, what will be the coordinate? Listen, listen. Listen. This is the vast basin area. Look at the red highlighted area. This is the vast basin. Please focus on only a red highlighted area. Red highlighted area. So I'm marking here A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. I have marked the area of vast basin as A, B, C, D, right? And we have to write it down the coordinates of A, B, C, D. So what will be A, B, C, D? Come on, yaar. So A coordinate will be, this is -6, and here this is y. So -6 x coordinate, and this is y coordinate. What will be the y coordinate? Y coordinate is basically the center. This is 0, 1, 0, 1. What will be the midpoint of 0 and 1? 0.5. So this is equal to 0.5 basically, right? So the A coordinate will become -6, 0.5. What will be B coordinate, champions? The B coordinate will be, this is the B coordinate, and here is x will be -5, and y coordinate will remain same as it is. So this will be -5, 0.5. If I talk about C coordinate, so what will be C coordinate, champions? Where is C? This is C, and for this C point, x coordinate will be -5, and the y coordinate will be here, this 2. So -5, 2. Now moving to D coordinate. So what will be D coordinate? This is the D coordinate, and if this D coordinate is on y-axis, this is on y-axis, and here is x coordinate -6, and this is y coordinate, so we can write here -6, 2. -6, 2. This is the 4 coordinates of vast basin area. Is it clear to everyone? Vast basin area, is it clear to everyone? -6, 2, -5, 2, -5, 0.5, and of course -6, 0.5. Is this clear to you, everyone? Please write it down in chat section. Yes sir, clear. Please write down in chat section. Yes sir, clear. So the 4 coordinates, the questions were asking to write down the coordinates of the corners of these spaces. So this will be the corners of these spaces, I mean the for vast basin. Moving to toilet. So first mark the area that you need to occupy for the toilet. So this is toilet area here, this, and we have to occupy 2 cross 3 feet, 2 cross 3 feet space for the toilet. 2 cross 3 feet space for the toilet. So what will be the coordinate for this? 2 feet cross 3 feet, right? So if we mark here this area, please focus. This, let me mark the area for the toilet. I hope red color is visible to you, everyone. So this will be the area from here to here. Please focus on the red area. This area will be enough. This area will be enough to give the, demanded, the area which required to place the toilet. That is that red light area. That is red highlighted area, and we need to write the coordinates for that. So let's mark P, Q, R, and S. Yes, this is the question. We have to write down the coordinates for P, Q, R, and S. So what will be the coordinates of P, Q, R, and S? Please write it down in chat section. Who can give me now? Everything is clear. Now you have to write it down, the coordinates of P, Q, R, S. So let's write. So first P. What will be P? This is P point, and this P point is here, -6, and y coordinate is 3. So the coordinate of P will be -6, 3. Is it clear to everyone? Now moving to Q, what will be the coordinate of Q? Where is Q? This is Q here, and this is -4, and this is 3. So what will be the coordinate of Q? Come on, -4, listen here, this is, okay, the line is little bit farther. I think we can, we need 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3. So 2 cross 3 means this line will be closer to this. This line, let's make this little bit closer, because this is 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. Okay, so here the line will be close to this. I mean, this will be very close to this will be there. So if we take this point here, so basically we are getting 4.5, this point Q and this point R, this point, because the question is saying 2 cross 3, 2 part, and this is 3 part, 1 2 3, 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3. So we have to take only 2 grids, 2 boxes in this direction and 1 to 3 boxes in this direction, because the area which required for the toilet is 2 cross 3. The area which required for the toilet is 2 cross 3. So on x-axis we need to take 2 boxes, and on y-axis we need to take 3 boxes, 1 2 3. Now we can write down the coordinates. So what will be the coordinate Q? So Q will be 4.5 minus 4.5 minus 4.5 comma x coordinate will be this will be the x coordinate, which is 3. Now moving to R. Where is R? This is R. So what will be R, champions? R. What will be R? R coordinates. So if we look at the R will be lying between 4 and 5. Can you please focus on R? What will be R, champions? Tell me, what will be the position of R? I'm asking you the position of R. This. Here. This point. Yes. Tell me, what will be the position of R? 4. This is exactly in front of 4, na? This is. So, the point R will be minus 4.5 comma 4. If this is not clear to you all, let me show you clearly. This line should be very clear. This line should be very clear. Let me show you very clearly. This here. So 4 comma 5 and y-axis will be 4. What will be S coordinate? The S coordinate here is the S coordinate. S coordinate will be minus 6, and that line minus 6 comma 4. So S coordinate will be minus 6 comma 4. These are the coordinates. I hope this is clear to you, everyone, champions. Yes. Is it clear to all? Because the dimension which required for the toilet, dimension of toilet, dimension of space for toilet is what? Dimension of space for toilet is what? 2 cross 3. Length into breadth, 2 cross 3. So we need to take 2 boxes here and 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 boxes here. So that will be exactly 4, na? This will be 3. So 1, 2, 3 points will be there. So this is all about. Clear to all, everyone? Moving to next. Okay. Okay, so I have already taken one more slides there. I forgot to mention there. Okay, no problem. No problem. Moving to next question number 4. Okay. Look at question number 4. Who can solve the question number 4? Yes, Farhan Kaleem. Who can give me the correct answer for this question? This is very good question. Very good question. Listen, champions, the question is other rooms in the house. So this was the Riyan's room. This is the Riyan's room, right? And Riyan's room door leads to the dining room, which has the length 18 feet and width 15 feet. The length of the dining room extends from point P to A. Sketch the dining room and mark the coordinates of its corner. So let me tell you the condition of this question. Basically, what question is saying here? The question is saying that this is the Riyan's room, this is bedroom area, and this is the bathroom area. Attached, room and bathroom both are attached. So this entire region is Riyan's room. Now the question is saying that the Riyan's room's door is this here. D1 R1 is the room's door, bedroom's door, and this door is leading to one more room. This room somewhere here, this, which is not, I can't draw because the board is ending here. So one more room is here in this region. Please imagine one more room is here, whose length is 18 feet. Can you see 18? So from 0 to this is 12, and from 0 to left side, this is 6. So 12 plus 6 is 18. So this wall, this entire wall, this complete wall is of dining room also. And here is dining room. Adjacent to the Rian's bedroom, there is one more room, which is Rian's dining room. Right, so let me show you with diagram. So I have taken one more picture here. I have taken this picture of this region also, because I don't need to look at this region in this question. So I have cropped this part, and I need only this portion, the bottom part. So I have taken the bottom part here. Please try to understand the question first. So this is Rian's bedroom, this is here wardrobe, this is bedroom portion, and this is bathroom portion, and this is the entire wall, which is this wall is of dining room also, and here is the dining room. This is the dining room. Let's assume, what is the length of dining room? The length is 18 feet and the width is 15 feet. So this wall will be of 15 feet. This wall will be of 15. Please ignore this diagram. Please focus here. This wall will be of 15. This is 15 feet. Let's make the dining room. So this is origin here. This is origin. So we can make x-axis and y-axis. So this is your y-axis. Coordinate is necessary, because without coordinate we cannot find out the what this is. So this is all about the dining room. This is x-axis. Here is the y-axis, which is the wall of dining room and bedroom also. Let me show you the yellow color for x-axis and y-axis for your clarity. My champion, this is y-axis here, and this is x-axis. The yellow color is of x-axis, this is x-axis, and this is of y-axis. And let me use here, I think this color will be good, blue. Sky blue I'm using here, a sky blue color for the room, dining room. So this is the dining room, and this wall, the dark blue wall, this wall is of bedroom, Rian's bedroom, and this entire portion here, this entire portion is of dining room also. So hi sir, hello, hi Kavya, I hope this is clear to you all. This portion is of Rian's bedroom, and this is the entire wall of the Rian's bedroom and bathroom, and this wall is of dining room also. So this complete area is dining room. Now please look at who is this? Superb. Now the length of the dining room is 18 feet and the width is 12 feet. So this will be the length. Can you see here? From here to here, this is 12 units, and this is 6 units. So this is entire 18 feet, and the width will be 15. So let's mark the 15 units here. Mark the 15 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is 15. Okay, let's mark the coordinates: -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, -6, -7, -6. This is -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, and -15. Okay, now read the question. The length of the dining room extends from point P to A. So this is the length. This point is P here. Let me use red color. That will be clearly visible on white portion. So this is P point here. This is P point, and this is A point. So this is the length of dining room, sketch the dining room and mark the coordinates of its corner. Okay, so we have to, and the dining room is of course basically, can you see length and breadth is given to you, so the dining room is, you know, rectangular in shape. So what will be the coordinates? So let's say this is PA and this is 15 feet is the breadth of the dining room. So this coordinate, we can join this line. So this is the dining room. This entire is the dining room. So let's mark PA, and here will be B and here will be C. So PABC is your dining room. PABC is dining room. I hope this is clear to you all. And we have to write down the coordinates of PABC. So what will be the coordinate of P? The coordinate P will be, this is P coordinate, and here is -6, and Y coordinate will be 0 because this point is on x-axis. So -6, 0. Where is A? So A coordinate will be, this is A coordinate, and A coordinate is already given to you 12, 0. So this is 12, 0. Okay, now moving to B. What will be B coordinate? Basically B coordinate is in fourth quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and champion, this is the fourth quadrant, right? So what will be the coordinate of B? The coordinate of B will be, x will become positive and y will become negative. So this will be, B will be 12, -15. So B coordinate will be 12, -15. Now what will be C here? The coordinate of C. C coordinate is in third quadrant, and third quadrant is made up of both negative values, y negative, x negative. So the third coordinate, this third coordinate will be, this is -6 and this is -15. So C coordinate will be -6, -15. This is the answer. So the coordinates of dining room will be PABC, and the coordinates are visible in front of you. Hi, is it clear to all? Is it clear to you all? So I'm using here green color for the final visualization of dining room. So green color, this is the dining room. This is the dining room. This entire green colored region is dining room. Green colored region is dining room. Moving to next. Okay. The next question is, place a rectangular 5 feet cross 3 feet dining table precisely in the center of the dining room. Write down the coordinates of the feet of the table. Very good question, very powerful question. I can say one of the most tricky question of this chapter is this. The question number 2. Yes, the most logical question I can say. So let's find out. So place a rectangular 5 foot cross 3 foot dining table precisely in the center of the dining room. So what will be the answer? Write down the coordinates of the feet of the table. Okay, so this is your basically diagram, and if we make here the dining room first, so what will be the dining room? The length of the dining room was, 18 feet and the breadth was 15 feet. So let's draw the dining room first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 mark here and 15 here also. Okay, and join this. So your dining room is ready. The dining room is ready, champions. Yes, clear everyone? The dining room is ready. Why dining room is ready? Because this is origin until here this is -6. So 6 and 12, this entire is 18 feet. And the dining room's length was 18 feet and the breadth was 15. So let's mark here 15, and this blue color is x-axis and y-axis. Yellow color, let me show you with yellow color. This is x-axis, this is x-axis, and this will be your y-axis. This will be y-axis, right? This is x-axis. Y, X. Okay. Now mark the points here. So the coordinates will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, why I am marking 15 only? Because the length of dining room was 18 feet and the breadth is 15 feet. So that's why I am taking here 15. So this is 15. Let's mark the numbers here. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14 and -15. Right? What are the coordinates of dining room? The coordinates of dining room, champions? The coordinate of dining rooms we have just calculated in previous question. So this is the A will be 12,0. This is B, which is marked with P. So we can directly write this is P -6,0. What will be the coordinate of this B? The coordinate of B will be x12, this is -15. And what will be the fourth corner of the dining room? The fourth corner, this is the fourth corner. So the fourth corner will be, this is fourth corner, -6, -15. So let's draw this line exactly on 15. This is little bit lower to 15. So make sure to draw the line that should be passing through 15. So it should be passing through 15. Okay. So now the fourth corner of dining room, is -6, -15. Now my dear champion, the question is, hi sir, hi Rath, hi. So the question is, this is Riyan's bedroom and this entire region of Riyan's dining room. The dining room and the bedroom both are having common wall. This is the common wall. The x-axis is the wall. And this is entire region PABC is the dining room. But the question is saying, place a rectangular 5 feet cross 3 feet dining table precisely in the center of the dining room. So we have to place our rectangular dining table exactly at the center. Just imagine if this is entire PABC is the dining room, so the dining table will be somewhere like this. The dining table must be exactly at the center of the dining room. We have to place the dining table exactly at the center of the dining room. This is the question. Right? So first of all, we have to calculate the center of the dining room. We don't know the center of the diagonal. Where is the center of dining room? We don't know. So what we need to do here, to place a dining table exactly at the center of the dining room, first of all, we have to find out where is the center of the dining room. So the question is to find out the center of the dining room, the center coordinate of the dining room. So let's assume this is the dining table and I'm marking this as PQRS. PQRS. P is already taken there, so don't confuse. Let's change this values. Let's change this. So let's call this MNOP. Okay. Let's call this MNOP. Okay. So where is doubt? Nabanita, where is doubt? Come on, please tell me. So Nabanita, let me clear you. Basically the question is asking that this is Riyan's bedroom. This is entire. This is bedroom part, this is bathroom, so this is entire bedroom part, and there is a dining room which is beside to the bedroom. So this red color part, this complete red color part is dining room, and we have to place a dining table of dimension 5 feet cross 3 feet precisely at the center of this room. This is the question. So let's assume, let's imagine that the table is placed here. So to place the dining table exactly at the center of the dining room, we must have the coordinate of center of the dining room first. Where is the center of dining room? So we are going to find out first the center of the dining room. So let's look at the calculation, my dear champions. So, oh my God, what happened? What I did? Okay, so this is the dining room. Okay, this is the dining room and this is P, so this will be B and the coordinate of B will be 12 comma minus 15. Why? Because the dimension of dining room, can you see here? The dimension of dining room is 15 feet width, 15 feet. That's why I'm taking the coordinate as 12 comma 15 here. Okay, so this is 12 comma 15 and here this will be C will be minus 6 comma minus 15. This is the dining room. Okay, now hi sir, hi Kaushik. Now find out the center of the dining room first. Where is the center? So I'm going to give you the formula how you can find out the center. So center, coordinate of center of dining room. Please focus here. Coordinates of center of dining room. We make sure to find out first the coordinate of center of the dining room. Then only we can decide where should we place the table. If you don't know the center of the dining room, how you will be placing this table at the center? So first find out the center of the dining room. Okay, so the coordinate, x coordinate will be what? So my dear, where is x coordinate? This is x coordinate and x coordinate, the one end, this end is having x coordinate minus 6 and this end is having x coordinate 12. So the center will be the middle value. The center will be the middle value. So minus 6 plus 12 divided by 2. This is the formula by which we can find out the center. This formula. This x plus this x divided by 2. Somewhere the point will go there. So this will be 6 by 2 and which is equal to 3. Now y coordinate. Where is y coordinate? So for this dining room, this is y coordinate 0 and this is y coordinate minus 15. So what will be the center? 0 minus 15 plus 0 divided by 2. So this will be minus 15 divided by 2 which is equal to minus 7.5. So this is somewhere here. Somewhere if we draw the coordinate, this is y coordinate. This is y coordinate and this is x coordinate. So 3 comma minus 7.5. So this is 3. This is 3 comma minus 7.5. So minus 7.5, if we mark the units here, let's mark the units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and this is 15. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14 and this will be minus 15. So minus 3 comma minus 7.5. So this will be some somewhere here. This will be the center. This is the center of the dining room. This point is the center of the dining room. Clear? Very good. Nabito, very good. So please listen, champion. So first what we did here, we have just calculated the center of the dining room. And what is the center of dining room? The center of dining room, let's say this is, let me say this is, I'm calling this as O dash. Okay, please my dear, don't get confused, O dash. So don't make it confusing, remove this. So this is center and the coordinate is having 3 comma minus 7.5. Now we want to place a dining table of this dimension. Length is 5 feet and the breadth is 3 feet. Length 5, breadth 3. So just imagine if we place like this 5 and this is 3. Just imagine for a little while. So my dear, if you want to place this is of 5 feet and this is of 3 feet, so this will be half portion and this will be the half portion. So in 3 is the x coordinate. In 3, 2.5 will be subtracting and here in this direction 2.5 will be adding. the half of 5. And if we talk about y coordinate, this entire width of the dining table is 3 feet. So the half will be 1.5. So in 7.5, we have to add 1.5 to get the first coordinate, and again we have to subtract the 1.5, right? Because this will be half 1.5 and this is half 1.5, then only this point will be the center of this dining table. I hope this is clear to you all. I hope this is clear to all. So to find out the corners of the dining table, what we need to do, just imagine, for just imagination, I am taking the position of dining table as this. Please, I am taking the position of dining table. I am taking the position of dining table as this. This is just assumption, champions. Please make sure this is just assumption. So this is the dining table. Please ignore. This is just assumption. This is the dining table. Right. Here is A, B, C and D. Just for assumption. Now if AB, this entire AB is of 5 feet. This AB is of 5 feet. And this AD is of 3 feet. And this, it should be the center. So this half will be 2.5 and 2.5. 2.5, this is 2.5. And this entire is 3. So what should be this? This would be 1.5 and this also would be 1.5. So how we can find out the coordinates? To find out the coordinates will be the first coordinate. I am finding here the first coordinate. Please focus, champion. First coordinate. The first coordinate we can find out here. What we need to do? Please tell me. Just addition and subtraction are there. Hi sir, hi Ratin, hi everyone. Clear everyone? Please let me know. Clear everyone? Yes, clear everyone? So I'm giving you one very short logic. So what you need to do one thing. So for first coordinate, what you have to do? 3 plus 2.5, do this. And in both, for y coordinate, here also please add both. I mean, to find out the first coordinate, add both the values. Minus this 3 plus 2.5, and for y coordinate please add also. For y coordinate, add. So the coordinate will become 5.5, comma, if we, this is minus 7.5, 2.5. What will be the result, champion? What will be the result? So this is plus, this is minus and this is plus. So what will be the result? Come on. The result will be, this is 7.5, no? So if we subtract 2.5 minus 7.5, if we do, this is 2.5 positive, right? And minus 7.5. So 2.5, 7.5, what will be the result? This is 0 and this is, so what will be the result? We are getting direct value. So I'm giving a short logic. Greater value, smaller value. So it is confirmed that the result will be negative. The result will be negative because the greater value is negative. Right? And this is 2.5. This is 2.5. So this will become 5. Minus 5. So 5.5, 5.5, comma 5. Yes. We are adding 1.5. This will be 1.5, sorry. We are adding here 2.5. No one is telling me. Come on, yaar. Please tell me in chat section. Sir, that will be 1.5 because the half of 3 is 1.5. 1, this is 1.5. So minus 7.5 plus 1.5. What will be the result? This will be minus 6. Minus 5.5, comma minus 6. Minus 5.5, comma minus 6. Yes, the first coordinate will become 5, comma 5, 5.5, comma minus 6. Is it clear to all? Now, to find out the second coordinate, please focus here. Second coordinate. I am giving you a logic for second quadrant. For second coordinate, here we have added both. Now please subtract both. So 3.3 minus 2.5 and minus 7.5 minus 1.5. Please do this. I'll be clarifying you. We'll be placing the coordinates here. Don't worry. First, find out the numeric value. So 3.3 minus 1.5. What will be the result? This is 1.5. This is 3. So 3.0. So this will be 5. And this is 1. Right? No, 0.5 will be the result because 2.5 we are subtracting here. So this will become 0.5 comma. Can you see here? Minus 7.5 minus 1.5 minus plus, but sign will be negative. Sign will remain negative. But minus 7.5 minus 1.5 will be minus 9. So the second coordinate will be 0.5 minus 9. I will tell you, don't worry. Where we'll be placing here? Where the coordinates will be placed? Just wait a little while. First find out the coordinates. Now find out the third coordinate. Now, class 9 champions, please listen. To find out the third coordinate, what you should do here, in first, can you see? Both the values are added. X coordinate is adding and Y coordinate. Now, do one thing. Add X coordinate, but in Y coordinate, subtract the values. This is the trick. So 3 plus 2.5, this will be 5.5, and the next coordinate minus this will be minus 9. Now in fourth coordinate, what you need to do? Reverse the third coordinate. Reverse the method of third coordinate. So in third coordinate, we have added x coordinates and subtracted y. Now reverse it. Now subtract the x coordinate. 3 minus 2.5 and please add the y coordinate plus 1.5. So what will be the result? 3 minus 1.5 will be 0.5. And minus 7.5 plus 1.5, this will be minus 6. So the coordinates are that. Now solve there. Which coordinate will be where? Listen, this is 5.5 comma 6. 5.5 comma 6. X coordinate is 5. Okay. So here will be coordinate. And minus 6. So this will be somewhere there. This is the coordinate 5.5 comma minus 6. Now the second coordinate is 0.5 minus 9. X coordinate is 0.5 and y coordinate is 9. So here, somewhere here, 0.5 x coordinate and 9. 0.5 comma 9. So the coordinates may lie here somewhere. The 0.5 will be the center of one end. So this will be a coordinate here. This is 0.5 comma minus 9. Now the third coordinate is 5.5 comma minus 9. So 5.5, here is 5.5 and comma 9. So this will be the coordinate. This will be exactly in front of this. So this will be the coordinate here, minus 5.5 comma minus 9. And the fourth coordinate of dining table will be 0.5 comma minus 6. So yes, of course, this will be the coordinate. Minus 6, 0.5, this is 0.5 comma minus 6. Now if we join all the red region, the red lines were the assumption, and this is the exactly, the yellow color is the dining table. So this is the dining table coordinates, first coordinate, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth coordinates, and this is the center. This center is of dining table also and dining room also. I hope this question is clear to you all. Please tell me in chat section, yes sir, clear. Please tell me in chat section, everyone. So this is the method how you guys can find out all coordinates of the dining table. So to find out the dining table coordinates, first what you need to do, you have to find out the center of the dining room, and this was the center of dining room. And once you get the center of the dining room, everything will remain in your hand. Please tell me in chat section, show me your presence, give me some hearts, send me some hearts. I also deserve little bit from your side. Send me in chat section. Show me your involvement. Give me some thumbs up. And the student who have not liked the live session yet, please go and hit the like button. Please everyone. Ha, yeah, very good, very good. Who is this? Sick cloth. I'm grateful our syllabus has not been changed. This is cooked. Yes, of course, this is cooked. See, who is this? Sick cloth. I don't know your name, buddy. But listen, my dear. All the changes that had been has been imposed by CBSE in your syllabus this year, it's just for you, everyone. Because you know, in previous books, if you go to social studies book, maths book, or science book of class 9th, the questions and the theoretical portion, everything was directly. I mean, the questions were directly based on formula. But here, these questions are, you know, linked with your day-to-day life. Just imagine if you will be becoming an architecture engineer or civil engineer in future. So these are the basics that you guys will be implementing while doing the construction of your home. You will be suggesting to your elder, the pillar should be there, the room dimension should be there, this position should be there. I mean, the questions you guys will be taking care in your present mathematics books are linked with your practical life. So you should be very positive. Come on, your syllabus is entirely changed and just for your own benefits. So stay positive. And the questions that given in your textbook, please make sure to solve each and every question by your own, honestly. Please trust, mark my words, everyone. Okay. Yes, thank you. Very good. Thank you, Nabanita. Thank you so much. Moving to next. Okay. So this exercise is the last exercise of your chapter, the orienting yourself, the use of coordinates. So there are 3 exercises. Exercise set 1.1, exercise 1.2, and this exercise is the AND exercise, and the name is also mentioned there, the end of exercise. I hope you have understood my words. So please keep these things in your mind, and please stay connected with this channel, because this channel Deeksha Vedantu is entirely designed for the student of class 9th grade and 10th grade. So you will be making sure your preparation for your exam, half yearly, your annual examination, and of course for your, especially for your board exam that you guys will be writing in next year, I mean 2028. So this is for you, everyone. We all the teachers are doing a lot of researches, and we are making a lot of variety of contents will be delivering you in future. That will be ensuring your preparation well, everyone. Okay, so stay connected with us. So moving to next. Okay, so the question number 1 of the last exercise is, what are the x coordinate and y coordinate of the point of intersection of 2 x's? Very easy question. So my dear champion, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. The question is asking what are the x coordinate and y coordinate of the point of intersection. So this is the point of intersection, and we all know this point is called origin, because from this only the point starts. In this direction all positive value 1, 2, 3, and in this direction all negative value for the x-axis, but number starts from here. And similarly on the y-axis, number starts from here in upward direction, all the positive value, and in downward direction the number starts in negative format, but the number starts from this point. Number starts origin, so that's why this point is called origin, and the coordinates are 0, 0. So x coordinate will be, x coordinate is 0, and the y coordinate, everyone, y coordinate is also here 0. This is the answer. X coordinate 0 and y coordinate 0. Yes, we understand. Very good. That's called maturity. Very good. Moving to next. Okay, now the question is, point W has x coordinate equal to -5. Can you predict the coordinates of point H, which is on the line through W parallel to the y-axis? Which quadrants can H lie in? So my dear champion, to do this question, you cannot solve this question directly just by reading the theoretical part. No. To solve this question, you should draw the coordinates. You have to draw the coordinates, then only you can make the solutions very smoother and very comfortable for you all. Right? So please ensure sometime the questions require coordinates, I mean the graph. So let's draw the graph first. So this is x-axis, champion, and this is your y-axis. Very good. Point W has x coordinate equal to -5. Okay, can you predict? So very logical question, but very easy question. Just imagine, do you know this is called first quadrant? This is your second quadrant, everyone. That looks like third quadrant. This is second quadrant. Please focus the solution. Second, and this is your third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. And we all know here x coordinate all values are positive, here the x coordinate all values are negative, here y coordinate all values are positive upward to origin, and downward to origin all the values are negative. So my dear champions, the first coordinate is made up of this and this region. The first quadrant is made up of this and this region, so x will be positive and y will also remain positive. Now left side, what you are writing, Nabanita? Please write in clear. So second quadrant is made up of this line and this line. So if second quadrant is made up of this line and this line, so x is negative and y is positive, so the coordinates always comes in this format, minus comma plus, minus comma plus. Why? Because x always remain here in this second quadrant negative, but y will be positive. Similarly, in third quadrant is made up of this line and this line. So the third quadrant x will be in positive form and y will also remain in positive form. Similarly, if we are moving to the fourth quadrant is made up of this, and here the x will be positive and y will be negative. Now read the question. The question is, point W has x coordinate equal to -5. The x coordinate is negative. If the x coordinate is negative, this cannot be possible, this cannot be possible. Why? Because in first quadrant and fourth quadrant x are positive. So this quadrant will not possible. The quadrant which may be possible, either the point will be here somewhere or the point will be here, because in these two quadrants x are negative. I hope till here everything clear to you, everyone. If x coordinate is negative, so it implies that the point, whether the point will be here, here or here, we are not clear yet. Okay, so let's do. Now let's read the question ahead. Now, can you predict the coordinate of point H which is on the line through W? Okay, so just imagine, champions, W is just imagine, I'm asking you to imagine, just imagine W is here, -5, this is -5, and W is here, this is W, right? Now, can you predict, so the question is asking, can you predict the coordinate of point H which is on the line through W parallel to a y-axis? Okay, so this is y-axis, right? And there is a line, this is the line which is parallel to y-axis, and the question is asking, there is one more point H, so can you predict the coordinate of H? So we cannot predict. H may be here, H may be on x-axis, H may be in the fourth quadrant, it depends. So my dear champion, if x is negative, so H point may lie here in first quadrant, H point may lie on the x-axis, and H point may lie in the fourth quadrant also, third quadrant also. So what will be the answer? The answer will be the point H may lie in first quadrant, may lie on first quadrant on x-axis, or in the third quadrant. These are the possibilities. How? So if y is greater than 0, I mean if y is positive, so H will be in what? First quadrant, because in first quadrant y also remain positive. Now if y is 0, if y will become 0, it indicates that the point somewhere the point will be on x-axis. So H will be on x-axis, right? And if the point H is in third quadrant, this is also possible. In third quadrant, x remain negative. So if y is less than 0, I mean the negative, these are the negative, so for third quadrant will be there. It indicates that H will lie in what, champion? Third quadrant. Please write it down in your notebook. Okay, you can take a screenshot also. So there are three possibilities. Hi Himanshu. Yes, we understand. You two teachers are making our future in free. Thank you. Of course, we are dedicatedly working. We are dedicatedly providing you free education, champions. We are not asking anything from our students. Just love and affection. Just the bonding between both of us, right? And this is our real, I can say, wealth that we earn every day when we used to come here in front of camera and teach you everyone. So this is all about. And we the teachers are not teaching you guys just by profession. This is our passion. Teaching you guys, gives us some different kind of satisfaction from within. So that's why we are the teachers. Right, Himanshu? Thank you so much for this kind words. Moving to next. I hope this question is clear to you, everyone. Right? So we cannot predict the exact position of H. H may lie in first quadrant, H may lie on x-axis, and H may lie on third quadrant also. Right? Okay. Should I move ahead to the next question, everyone? Please show me your involvement. Come on, yaar. I am expecting from you all your involvement. Show me your presence. Give me some thumbs up. Send me some hearts. Come on. At least you guys can do this for me. Thank you. Nabanita. Moving to next. Okay. What is this? Consider the points R, A, M, P. They are joined in the same order. Predict. Okay. So there are four coordinates given, R, A, M, P. And we have to join all the points all together, and we have to answer these three questions given here. Okay, so we cannot solve such question directly. To solve these questions, we need to draw the coordinates. We need to draw the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so let's draw the x-axis and y-axis first. So let me show the diagram. This x-axis, and here will be the y-axis. Let me draw the diagram little bit larger. Okay, so I'm drawing the diagram here at this side. X-axis, y-axis. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you, Nabanita. Very good. Okay, mark the coordinates. So the smallest number is -2. So we can take the unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. And this is x-axis, right, champion? And here is -1, -2, -3, -4, everyone, and this is -5. Here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. This is y-axis, and here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now let's draw the coordinates. Let's show these coordinates on graph. So the first quadrant is R, 3, 0. So x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0. So if y coordinate is 0, it indicates that the coordinate will lie on the x-axis. Why? Because the y coordinate is 0. So the point will be here. This will be, can we write it down? R. R is 3, 0. Now the second point is A, 0, -2. Now the x coordinate is 0. What it indicates? If x coordinate is 0, it means that the point will lie on y-axis. So x coordinate is 0, and y is negative. So the y, this will be the point here. And what is the name of the coordinate? A. So 0, -2. Now the third coordinate is -5, -2. Both are negative, and if both are negative, this coordinate will come. This quadrant will come. -5, -5, -2. So where is -5? X coordinate is -5 and y coordinate is -2. So the point will lie somewhere -5, 2. X is -5. This will be the coordinate. Yeah, here will be the coordinate, and write it down the name -5, -2. Now where will be the fourth quadrant? The fourth coordinate is -5, 2. X is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive. So it implies the quadrant will be the first quadrant. So -5, 2, -5, 2, this quadrant will be used. This quadrant here. The x coordinate -5, y coordinate is 2. So please write it down the name of the coordinate. So this is P here, -5, 2. Okay, now join all the coordinates. Please join. So this, 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 this. So this is all about PARP, MARP, or we can say PMAR, whatever you can call this, RAMP also, RAMP. Okay, they are joined, so everything is done. Now same order, very good. Predict the first question. Two sides of RAMP that are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so we have to find out here, is there any side is perpendicular to each other? Any side is perpendicular to each other? Yes, of course. Can we please find out any side is perpendicular? Yes, this line and this line will be perpendicular to each other. Can we see? Why? Because the y coordinate of M and the y coordinate of A is -2. So it implies that the line will be exactly parallel. The line will be exactly parallel. So this line is a straight line. And here, the x coordinate of this point and the x coordinate of this point both are same. So it implies that PM will also be a straight line. So this is a straight line and this is a straight line. It implies that, it indicates that both will be perpendicular to each other. So the first answer we can write here. How we can solve here? Please look at here. So the y coordinates of M and P, M and A are same, right? So this MA, so MA is a straight line, parallel to x-axis, right? This will be the straight line which is parallel to x-axis. Why? Because y coordinate are same. Similarly, x coordinates of the points M and P, x coordinate -5, x coordinates of the point M and P are same. So MP is a straight line parallel to what? Y-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis and this line is parallel to x-axis. So it indicates that these two lines will be perpendicular to each other. So we can write here MA is perpendicular to MP. So MA and MP, two lines here are perpendicular to each other. MA perpendicular to MP. Now moving to second question. What is second question? One side of RAMP that is parallel to one of its axes. Any side is parallel to x-axis? No. There will be no any side which will be parallel to. Hi Kaushik. Hi everyone. Very good. So the question is asking two points that are one side of RAMP that is parallel to one of these axes. Yes. So question is asking, is there any line which is parallel to the axis? Yes. This line will be parallel to x-axis and this line will be parallel to y-axis. Is it clear to everyone? Which line will be parallel to x-axis? Please tell me. And which line will be parallel to y-axis? Everyone. Yes, please tell me which line will be parallel to x-axis and which line will be parallel to y-axis. Please tell me everyone. I'm looking at your chat section. Who can give me the answer of this question? Which line will be parallel to x-axis? So listen, this line MA is parallel to x-axis. Why MA is parallel to x-axis? Why? Because in M and A, y coordinate is same, and if y coordinate is same, that will be parallel to x-axis, so x-axis. And this MP, in MP, M and P, x coordinate is same, and if x coordinates are same, that will be parallel to y-axis. So MP is parallel to y-axis. You can mention the region here. In this MA, we can mention the region. Y coordinates are here. Y coordinates are same. We can mention the region. Y coordinates are. By the way, I have already mentioned the same thing above in this question. And here, x coordinates are same. X coordinates are same. Now moving to third question. 2 points that are mirror image of each other in one axis. Yes, of course, this point is the mirror image of this. Just imagine if you take a mirror. If you take a mirror here, let's say this is mirror. This is mirror. The mirror is kept along x-axis. So this point will be exactly reflecting here, or this point will be exactly reflecting there. So these 2 points are the mirror image. So 2 points that are mirror image of each other in one axis, which axis will be, now plot the points and verify your predictions. So we can directly write here the points P minus 5, 2 is the mirror image of the point minus 5, 2 P, and this is M here. M minus 5, 2 along x-axis. Please make sure along x-axis. And we can also write one more statement reversing the information. I mean, at the place of P you can write M, and at the place of M you can write P, because these two both points are mirror image of each other. We can say the mirror image of this point P is M, and we can also say the mirror image of M is point P. Both are possible, right? Is it clear to everyone? So P and M both are mirror image of each other. If we are considering this as point, the mirror image will be this, and if you are considering this point, the mirror image will be this. So both statements are possible here. Everything clear, champions? Class 9 champions, please let me know. Please let me know. Okay, moving to next. Plot point Z5, minus 6 on the Cartesian plane. Construct a right angle triangle IZN and find the lengths of the three sides. Very easy question. Again, to solve this question we required diagram. So without diagram you cannot solve this question. Okay, I mean diagram means coordinates, graph paper, right? So let's, and one more information given here, I mean one more notes, we can say answers may differ from person to person. So the answer of this question may be I mean this question, the answer may be differ, it may be differ variable student wise. Okay, who is this? Steve Dowry. Sir, Vanakam champion. Good evening. Okay, so let's solve this question. And I have already told you, to solve such questions, we always required coordinate axis. I mean x-axis and y-axis. By drawing x-axis, y-axis, then only we can solve the question. So let's solve. So let's draw the x-axis, y-axis. So this is y-axis, and this is x-axis, right? Okay, so and where are the coordinates? The coordinates, the smallest value. Okay, so the z is 5, 6. Let's write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is your x-axis, and this is your y-axis. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, same unit will come, but in negative format. -2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 8, and minus 8, no, minus 7, minus 6, minus 7. Okay, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, the question is I read Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Very good, Shivam. Welcome to Deeksha Vedantu CBSE English channel. You all are at the right platform. If you all are dreaming to achieve at least 90 marks in your maths exam, and if you want to stay ahead of your classmates in your class, my dear, this channel is dedicatedly designed for all the 9th and 10th aspirants. I mean 9th, 10th students. So you all are at the right platform. Stay connected with the channel. Sir, when you will do chapter 3? So chapter 3 you are talking about, that is which chapter is that? Polynomial. We have already polynomial, coordinate axis. So yeah, we'll be doing that chapter very soon. Don't worry. Stay connected with the channel. Sadiq, don't worry, champion. I'm here. Sir, x-axis vertical, y-axis. No, not at all. Come on. X-axis horizontal, y-axis vertical. Who told you this? Shivam? Sir, can you solve exercise questions? Yes, we are doing exercise questions. These are the exercise question OVIA. These are the exercise questions of your chapter number 1. Orienting yourself, the use of coordinates. So currently we are solving the questions of your NCERT textbook, Ganit Manjari, of chapter number 1. Okay. So look at the question. Okay. Now mark point Z 5, minus 6. My dear champion, if x is positive, y is negative, so it indicates that the quadrant will be fourth. Why? This fourth quadrant is made up of positive, negative. X positive, y negative. So this point Z will be lying in the fourth quadrant. And where will be the point? Look at x coordinate. X is 5 and y is minus 6. So let me use white color. X is 5 some here and this is minus 6. So minus 6, 5. This will be the point here. This is the point 5, minus 6. And this point is basically Z. This is Z here. 5, minus 6. Clear? Yes, sir. Can you solve exercise questions? Okay, sir. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, let's do. So this is Z, 5, minus 6. X 5, y minus 6. Now, the question is asking, and this is called Cartesian plane. This whole, the combination of x and y axis, the complete information units and all, this is called Cartesian plane. Okay. Construct a right angle triangle IZN and find the length of 3 sides. Okay. Listen, champion. The question is asking you to find out the to construct a right angle triangle IZN. Please focus here. IZN. Z is the midpoint. Z is the middle coordinate. So Z is the position of 90 degree. Please focus here. If the question is asking to draw the IZN right angle triangle, so Z will occupy the position of 90 degree because that is the center point. So Z will be the center point. So if Z will be the center point, so just imagine, just focus here. So if we join this 5 from this I, so I should be here, IZ, and N. Come on, N should be here. Then only we can make a right angle triangle. I hope everything is clear. The question is asking construct a right angle triangle IZN. So Z will take the 90 degree position. This will be the 90 degree position, right? So the required triangle will be I, Z, and this coordinate will be N. So what will be the I coordinate? The I coordinate will be, this is 5 and y coordinate will become 0 because I is on the x-axis and this point is on y-axis, so x coordinate will become 0. So N coordinate will become minus 6, 0. So we have all 3 coordinates. Yes, clear everyone? We have all coordinates. I we have, Z we have, N we have. Now, find the length of 3 sides. So there are 2 methods. I can find out the length IZ, this I can find easily. So let me give you the very short method first. So first, length of IZ. So what will be the length of IZ? This is the length on y-axis. So y coordinate is 0, here is -6, so we can directly write 0 minus -6, so this will be 6 unit. So the length of IZ will be 6 unit. Now to find the length of this Zn, length of Zn. So Zn is along x-axis, so x coordinate here is -6 and here is this 5. So if we, this is 5, sorry, this is x coordinate here, this is y, we have written here reverse format. This point will be y coordinate, x coordinate is 0, so this will be 0 comma -6. That's why I was confused. 0 comma -6, because here the x coordinate is 0 because the point is on y axis. Okay, so what will be the x coordinate? So this is 0 and this is 5, so this will be 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0, and that will become 5 unit. I hope this is clear to you all. So the length of IZ, length of Zn. Now the length of NZ. Can we please apply the Pythagoras theorem? Because we want to calculate the hypotenuse. So Ni will be under root of IZ square plus this Zn square, right? So IZ we have is 6, so 6 square will be 6 square plus 5 square, 6 square will be 36 and 5 square will be 25. So this will be under root 61. 6, 5, 11, yes, 6 under root 61 unit. This is the answer. So the length of all the sides, this is IZ, this is Zn, and this is what? Ni, all three sides. Sir, isn't that 0 comma minus? Yes. Oh yeah, of course. Because x coordinate will be 0. That was my mistake. Superb. Sir, it's y-axis. Yeah, agree, Ovia. Very good. Superb. Is it clear to all? If this question is clear to you, everyone, if this question comes up in your exam and you will be comfortably able to solve the questions or not, please tell me honestly in the chat section. Yes, sir. If this question appears in our exam, we can crack this question comfortably. Please write it down in chat section. Yes, sir. Understood. Everything is clear. Please write it down in chat section. Yes, sir. This is definitely clear to us. I'm waiting your response in the chat section. Please write it down in chat section. Yes, sir. Everything is clear. I am Cherian. Okay. Very good, Cherian. Thank you so much for your confirmation, letting me your name. Okay. Please write it in chat section. Yes, sir. This question is absolutely clear. Thank you so much. Yes. Please tell me, everyone. Very good. Cherian has responded. Yes, sir. I'm waiting for others' response. Yes, sir. Clear. Superb. Very good. Should I move ahead to the next question, everyone? Should I move ahead to the next question? Okay. Moving to next question. So look at the question here. What would a system of coordinates be like if we didn't have negative numbers? Would this system allow us to locate all the points on a 2D plane? This is a reasoning question. Yes, Ovia. Such people are always, they used to roam here and there, from this channel to this channel, from here to there. So, and they are reflecting their upbringing of their family actually. So this is all about. So please focus on the question here. What would a system of coordinates be like if we didn't have negative numbers? Would this system allow us to locate all the points on 2D plane? Please give me correct answer for this question. This is little bit logical, and I'm waiting for the response from you guys who can give me correct answer of this question. Yes, I'm expecting from a lot of students. Very easy question, but logical. Easy but logical. Yes, tell me. Tell me, is it possible? Anyone? Let me clear the question for you first. Let me clear the question. The question is asking, what would a system of coordinate be like if we did not have negative numbers? If we do not have any negative numbers, so would this system allow us to locate all the points on a 2D plane? Please listen, what is called 2D plane? So the plane which is made up of x-axis and y-axis, this plane, xy plane is called 2D plane. The plane in which only xy axis comes up. This is called 2D plane. And let me tell you, apart from 2D plane, there is one more plane which is called 3D plane, in which x-axis comes up, y-axis comes up, and one more axis is called z-axis. If you look at the corner of your room, corner of any room, the corner of any room, so if we go to the floor is having x-axis and y-axis. The length of the floor you can consider as x-axis, and the breadth of the floor you can consider as y-axis, and the height of the room that you can consider as z-axis. So that will be indicating you 3D plane. So the entire room is 3D plane, but the floor is 2D plane, the wall is 2D plane, but entire room is 3D plane. But here in this question we are talking about 2D plane. So the question is, listen, what would a system of coordinate be like if we didn't have negative numbers? So listen, let me show you the system first. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, right? Here all numbers are positive, here all the numbers are negative, positive, and here all the numbers are negative, and here all the numbers are negative. Now if you look at the first quadrant, both x and y will remain positive. In second quadrant, x will be negative but y will be positive. In third quadrant, x will be negative, y will be negative. In fourth quadrant, x will be positive, y will be negative. Now the question is asking from us is, what would a system of coordinate be like if we didn't have any negative number? Means all are positive. X is also positive and y is also positive. So if x is positive and y is positive, so the coordinate will only lie in this quadrant, first quadrant. The coordinate will only lie in the first quadrant because we didn't have any negative numbers. It means we have only positive value. So it indicates that if there are all positive numbers, it means that the coordinate it means that the coordinates will only lie in first quadrant, because first quadrant is the quadrant which is having both positive. The points cannot go in second quadrant, the points cannot go in third quadrant, the points cannot go in fourth quadrant, because in first quadrant x is negative, one value is negative. In third quadrant everything is negative. In fourth quadrant y is negative, right? So the point will only lie in first quadrant, and if the point will only lie in first quadrant, this is not the part of 2D plane. For 2D plane, this is the entire surface. So would this system allow us to locate all the points on 2D plane? No, not at all. No. This system will not allow to locate all the points on 2D plane. How will be locating this point? How will be locating this point? Plus 2 comma minus 3, we cannot, but this is the part of location, so we cannot orient orient this position, so this is not possible. Everything is clear. Hi sir, who is this? Very good. OFC, I don't know your name, buddy. Can you please confirm your name? OAC. Thank you. Hi everyone. Okay. Moving to next. So this will only lie in the first quadrant or at origin also, because origin also positive. By the way, that is 0, but positive also. So this is the point here, origin or this. So or at origin. Okay, moving to next. So my dear champion, I am giving you few questions here as an homework for you all, for all the 9th class student who came here in this live session and who have been studying with me here for last 1 hour. So question number 6 I am giving you, and question number 7, 8, 9, only 4 questions I am giving you for your homework, everyone. Please try these questions by your own, without taking help from any resource, without asking from your elder, from any teacher. This is your, it should be your positive mindset if I'm suggesting you to solve this question by your own. So please stick with this, try these questions, and do let me know if you are having any kind of problem. If you may be stuck somewhere in formula or anything is there, please let me know. I'll be helping you out to resolve your problem. So very easy questions. Thank you so much for having me in the live session, everyone. Stay blessed, stay sparkling, and let's meet in the next live session. And the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button, everyone. Thank you so much.